Welcome to a new toy review. Today we have a 2005 Hummer H2 SUT diecast model by Kinsmart Corporation. It's a very nice yellow Hummer truck and it's made by General Motors, the official license product. And here there's some kind of code here. I don't know what happens if you scan this. Maybe you can try it. Pause the video and try to see what happens. And tell me in the comments. It's recommended, plus 3 years old. And let's see. On the back, we can see that they also make models of other car companies. Volkswagen, Honda, and Fiat. But where is the Tesla? They should make models of Tesla. That's the best truck ever. Cute bear here. Honorable, I guess this is the company that imports them here. I guess that's about it. Let's go ahead and open it up. Hold on, I need to get scissors. Okay. Finished yellow scissors. Like Fiskars Corporation. Nice. Didn't have to use a lot of force to open it. Is it opening? I don't want to break the packaging. Yes, here we go. Come on out, come on out. Look at that. Look at that. That's just nice. And we have these little twister things here. These little twirly boys. One off. Second one come off really easily. Come on out, come on out. Damn, I hate this. Why do they put this like this? Okay. We get it out. Good. Let's take it out from the wheels. Nice. It feels very heavy. They use a lot of metal here. Not so much plastic, so that's good. It's a high quality product. Let's see what features it has. What about the doors? The doors are opening. And it's these good doors with the spring. Look. It's closing on its own. That's very good. Some doors they just hang open and they have a really weak locking mechanism, but this one, they use the spring inside. Very nice. I guess nothing else opens. What about this wheel? Can you take it off? No, you can't. What about the top window? Can't open that one either. Okay. So 2 doors that opens. Inside we also saw that it has a lot of attention to detail, like the dashboard. They put details like, you can see the AC vent over here. And you can see like, you can even see the shift gear stick. Yeah, very nice, very nice. They even made the back seats even though you cannot open this door on the back. That's very nice. I wonder why they didn't make the door on the back, because it has a door on the back. The rubber feels good. It's not like just plastic. This is actually rubber. It feels like rubber. Yeah, 2005 Hummer, scale 1 to 40. Under license. Kinsmart, made in China. Let's see if this one is rolling well. Yep. It's one of these things again where you pull it and it goes forward. Last time I had an accident with this when it rolled off the table because it was going so fast. So this time we're gonna be careful. Let's try to put it on the floor and see what happens. It's turning to the right a little bit. It's not going straight. So that's really weird. See? I put it straight. It's turning a little bit to the right. And the spring mechanism doesn't feel so good on this one. Yeah. It feels a little bit cranky, this spring mechanism on this one. Last time it was much better. But still very nice. I think the kids will like this when they play with this. It's even going on the mat. That's good. So yeah, that was a 2005 Hummer diecast model made by Kinsmart. I think this will get like a 8.5 out of 10 because the spring mechanism, that's not so good. And also they only put one door instead of two doors, so they got a little bit lazy over there. Yeah, but overall really good toy. Buy this for your kids if they like these kind of models. Thank you for watching and hit like, and you know the thing, the same thing always, hit like, subscribe and comment below and yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.